Introduction to surveying. Surveying is the art of determining the relative position through direct or indirect measurements like direction, distance, on, above, or beneath the earth's surface. Objectives of surveying: to prepare a map or a plan to show relative position of objects on the surface of earth, to determining the boundaries of land. It is very useful for purpose of designing projects such as dams, canals, roads, railways, etc. The successful completion of any engineering project mainly depends upon the accurate surveying. Uses of surveying: it is useful for measurement of areas, to prepare different type of maps such as topographical map, cadastral map, engineering map, military map, contour map, geological map, etc. It is very useful for the purpose of designing project such as dams, canals, roads, railways, etc. It is used for making of plans in connection with legal documents. In case of dispute of property, certain plans may be used as legal documents. Principle of surveying. First principle: to work from whole to the part. Second principle: to locate a new station by at least two measurements. It should be linear measurement or angular measurement from fixed reference point. First principle: to work from whole to the part. According to the first principle, the whole area is first enclosed by main station, also called as controlling stations, and joined by main survey lines, also called controlling lines. The area is then divided into number of parts by forming well-conditioned triangle. The main survey line are measured very accurately with standard chain, and then side of triangle are measured. The purpose of this process of working is to prevent accumulation of error. During this procedure, if there is any error in the measurement of any side of triangle, then it will not affect the whole work. The error can always be detected and eliminated. But if the reverse process is followed, means from part to the whole, then minor error is measured will be magnified in the process of expansion, and then error will become absolutely uncontrollable. Second, to locate a new station by at least two measurements, linear measurements or angular measurement from fixed reference points. According to second principle, the new stations should always be fixed by at least two measurements from fixed reference point. Linear measurements refer to horizontal distance measured by chain, tape. Angular measurement refer to magnetic bearing or horizontal angle taken by prismatic compass or theodolite. Thank you.